The Solutions battery-powered backpack sprayer is a heavy-duty electric sprayer with a 4-gallon tank capacity. This sprayer applies insecticides, herbicides, sanitizers, and more, and is ideal for medium to larger jobs that need a larger volume of spray without the additional labor and equipment. This backpack sprayer is made for comfort and versatility. The metal base keeps the sprayer steady when standing, and the stainless steel clips ensure the sprayer stays on even after years of use. The sprayer utilizes a rechargeable 21-volt lithium-ion battery kept in the sprayer's clear door housing to protect the power source from water and external damage, while the soft shoulder straps and back padding are designed for extended comfort during long spray jobs. The sprayer's diaphragm pump utilizes excellent pressure control so you can stay at a constant and consistent pressure with absolutely no pumping required. With the high-capacity lithium-ion battery, you can spray uninterrupted for up to 2 hours. The battery even comes with front-facing indicator lights to help you know when it's time to recharge. The Solutions backpack sprayer comes equipped with a durable spray hose attached to a poly spray handle and a stainless steel wand and nozzle. Unlike traditional sprayers, this sprayer's single nozzle is adjustable from fine mist to cone to a pinstream spray pattern for added versatility. It's even designed with an instant shutoff, featuring a no-drip tip, minimizing the risk of wasted product. To start spraying, first mix your solution by filling the spray tank halfway with water using the measurement markers on the side of the tank. Pour in the required amount of product for your treatment, then fill your sprayer the rest of the way with water to agitate. You can also tip the sprayer back and forth to mix. Next, put the backpack sprayer on, switch on the power, and wait for a few seconds for the tank to pressurize. Once it's complete, you're ready to apply. To start spraying, squeeze the wand's ergonomic poly spray handle to apply your chemical solution. For continuous spraying, simply set the trigger lock in place and release your grip. You can adjust your spray pattern by simply rotating the sprayer nozzle clockwise to adjust the setting. Use a fine mist to treat a larger area faster, such as when spraying ornamental foliage for mosquito control. Use a cone setting to make uniform applications of product, like when spraying patches of weeds or for perimeter barrier spraying. The pinstream is best for targeted spot treatments or treating hard-to-reach areas, like spraying a single weed or treating the eaves of a house. When you're done, release the battery from its housing and use the included charger to recharge. The charger's indicator light will turn red once all connections are plugged in and will change to green when the battery is fully charged. The Solutions battery-powered backpack sprayer makes applying pesticides faster and easier. With its 2-hour-long battery life, 4-gallon capacity, and automated pressure and flow, it's a great tool for those who want to make large spray applications quickly and efficiently. Shop for the Solutions battery-powered backpack sprayer on our website or stop by one of our store locations. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.